Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. And it is Friday, September the 7th. Hope everyone had a good week. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from my good friends over at... Check this out right here. So... I think it's coming from Govee IP66 wireless doorbells. So check them out, YouTubers. The link is going to be down below where you guys will get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. I'm going to show you how to set these up and all that good stuff. So really cool. Here we go. Out of the way. We got one of these guys. There we go. Govee. Check them out. Doorbells. Wireless doorbell. So we shall see how this works. And I'm gonna do just like a brief install, but I'll probably have it set up during the week. Where I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put the switch and everything, but I'll do a quick install in the house. Oh, here we go, we got some goodies. And of course, check out their other items they have for purchase on their Amazon place. I got the manual. Might need the manual for this one. So this is my first time doing one of these type of things. That should be simple. Oh. Look at this mini screwdriver. Got 2 screws for the mounting. That's for the one of these. I forgot which one is which. Okay, this is plug in. These are weatherproof, fireproof. These are doorbells. So this is the See, there's a ding dong, but it has different chimes and everything. Peel that out, see what this looks like. This is for in the house where you want your doorbell. So I can have it like one downstairs, one upstairs, and like I said, you can probably buy multiple ones and hook them all up. So in case you don't hear your doorbell. There's the size. There's features. IP. So I got my other phone out. So it's a Govee. Alright, I'm going to plug one in right now. Show you guys in a second. Hold on, let me unplug something really quick. So definitely really cool to have. So thank you guys for sending me this. And we're going to plug it in and see what happens. Oh shoot, I can do it this way. Whoa. Oh. Oh, cool, you can have the volume down. Different volumes. Let me pause, I'm going to shut the light off. Alrighty, we're back. This one you can also has 36 different ringtones or doorbell tones. This is the doorbell, the Govee door. There's the back. Like I said, this is the mounting bracket that comes with. And open this up. Yeah, you can have it in your bedroom or down in the basement. I'm gonna put the other one, this one downstairs. And then what else it does? Yeah, you could definitely add multiple receivers. So like I said, if you got a bigger house and you want more than 2 running, order some more. memory function, 36 melodies, adjustable volumes up to 110 decibels. It's pretty loud. And like I said, it is waterproof, fireproof. Wireless range is 300 meters to 100 or to 1,000 feet. Fireproof, silent mode. And see if I'm trying to get everything all in one. Yeah, do it yourself. Easy to do. So there's the back. That's for the mounting. It's pretty easy. Just pop it in. Definitely gonna have this outside. Whoops. Hello. And like I said, there's that one. And we go down here. That's what it looks like. And you can have the silent mode. There's silent mode. So it'll just flash when somebody's at the door. They push the button. That's really cool. So the hearing impaired. That's very loud. Here we go. Do 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 do. Is this cool? Oh yeah. Get down, get funky. Alright. Sounds like the polka. Oh yeah. That's why I like it right there. Karate Kid type. Or Zelda. Whoa. Polka. Oh, that was Merry Christmas. Huh. Oh yeah. Do 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 do. Sweet. Dun 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 dun. Heck yeah. Then you can have that bell. Pretty sweet. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. They'll definitely see what else they have to offer. Govee wireless doorbells. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a great weekend. Be safe and see you guys soon. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are down in the basement. I got it set up on top of my ceiling so it is fireproof. So it's pretty loud. And like I said, you can have it on mute for the hearing impaired. And they can see by the flashing light. So that would be a really good feature to have. And you can change the tones. That I showed in the first part. So really cool. So thank you guys at Govee on Amazon. Check them out, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good night. And I'll see you outside in the second one. Alright, YouTubers, here it is. The Govee door installed. Really simple to do. 2 screws. And it's popped it in the wood. Easy to slide in. And let's see if you can hear it. Kind of. And I have that right there. Slash it right over there. Really cool. And then we're outside. So that's what it looks like from there. From there, top, bottom. So really cool. Easy to install, like I said. A few minutes, 5 minutes or less. And that's it. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a great weekend. Be safe and see you guys soon.